And welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm going to be riding the ENGWE Light Rider 2.0 folding e-bike, as you see it right there. And where am I? I'm in Florida, and that's Defier Lake right there, and I'm going to do a quick ride around that right now. So let's hop on. It's another cool day here in Florida. The whole vacation has been cool. But today, 60 degrees, so a little bit better, but still not what I was expecting, for sure. I'll probably go around this a couple times. Not that big of a place. And this lake is just in Defier Springs, Florida. So just south of Alabama. People out fishing there. There must be fish in that water, man-made lake. Got his bike there, but it's not electric. Still cool to see people out on bikes. A little bit breezy down here. That's what's making it even feel colder. And then after I leave the state of Florida for home, temperature's going to rise again and get hot. Lots of places are going to get hot, and some places are already back to hot, including Phoenix, Arizona. Several days of 100+ weather. And the ENGWE Light Rider 2.0 just really nicely goes around this trail, no problem. It's a great bike. And also, being a folding bike makes it a lot more convenient. I'm going to do a U here and go back the other way. Come back around. Somebody's cooking. I smell barbecue. It smells good. This video is being recorded late afternoon, like 5 o'clock, 5:30 actually. In the afternoon. Didn't wear any gloves this time. I have gloves, but I don't have them on. Not a big deal, but your hands can get a little bit cold after riding a while. I have eye protection. I have sunglasses on right now. That is a must. If you're riding an electric bike, or any bike, it doesn't have to be electric or motorcycle, it's always good to wear eye protection. There's nothing worse than getting bugs or dirt particles or something in your eye, or raindrops if it starts raining, and that's no fun. That'll sting your eyes, because I've had that happen. All good. Down to the water. Oh, I don't want to get too much into the sand. Sand is not the most fun thing for me to ride in. I know lots of people like riding in the sand, but I don't like it too much. Actually, put the bike up here a little bit higher. I don't think bikes are really meant for the sand, and I'm going to have to turn the bike the other way because it doesn't want to sit there. There we go. I have to do it like that. So there's one more look at the bike and the lake. Sun is going down behind me. Pretty cool here. And that's going to do it for this video. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you would like to subscribe to the channel, thank you very much. Just hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified as to when the next video comes up on the channel, just hit that notification bell. And if you want to leave a comment on this or any other videos that you've seen on the channel, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Once again, thank you for joining me on Electric Bike Mark. And until next time, be safe everyone, and keep your wheels on the road. See you later.